Stuck with Steam in a language you don't understand? Don't panic. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it in under 60 seconds, even if you can't read a single word on the screen. First, let's look at the pattern in English. Open Steam and go to the very top left corner. Click the first word on the far left, that's the Steam menu. In the drop-down list, go to the second to last option at the bottom. This is always your settings. In the new window, look at the sidebar on the left. You need the interface tab. Even if you can't read the text, just look for the icon that looks like a computer screen. Now click the very first drop-down box at the top of the main window. This is the language selector. Simply scroll until you find English selected and hit the bright blue button at the bottom to restart Steam. Now let's do the blind test for proof. I've switched my Steam to Chinese, and honestly, if I can't fix this right now, there will be no more Mega Bonk Mondays for me. The stakes are high. Watch. I'm clicking that first word in the top left again. I'm moving straight to the second to last option at the bottom of the list. On the left sidebar, I'm ignoring the characters and looking for that computer screen icon. I count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the screen. I click that. I hit that bright blue button to confirm the restart. And just like that, Mega Bonk Monday is saved. We are back in English and I can find my games. If this saved your account, drop a like and subscribe for more quick Steam fixes.